turns to 4, 4 turns to 8. Sleep and get paid, rich when I wait.
What's up, y'all? This your boy Jay Wayne, representing Team Take Profits. And thank you for tuning in to another video. My last series, we were mastering indicators. Well, it's not my last series, it's the same one still, but we're just transitioning from my 50 moving average strategy. That's what we talked about for like maybe 5 or 6 videos. We just went crazy with it. And now we're going to move over to my diversion strategy. Now, well, you got all these strategies, it must be a gimmick. No. This is the way that I do it. When you trade, the more you know, the more money you can make. You understand what I'm saying? The more you know, the more money you can make. If you only know one way to trade, like a trend line break, you may not get a trend line break for a week. You feel me? It might, and then when you get the trend line break, it might be a fake breakout. If that's the only way you know how to trade, I ain't gonna say you in trouble, you just limiting yourself. My goal is to become a master trader. I feel like I am. A lot of people say I am, but I know personally there's more things to learn. So every day I strive to become a master trader. And if you say I am one, then I just want to be ×2, ×10 master trader. You feel what I'm saying? So I never stop learning, and I'm always growing in this forex market. So the way that I do it is, like I said, the more you know. So what if today, Monday, you get the 50 moving average strategy working? Then I trade GJ and it's nowhere near the 50. But there's a trend line. Boom. I'm gonna take the trend line trade. And then when it breaks the trend line, it's coming down to a golden zone, a Fibonacci level, the 50% level, for those who don't know. So you see, that's 3 different things right there. 3 different little strategies that you may use. All right. You're using 3 different tools, but you're using them at the right time. And now after the 50 moving average strategy completed, then price broke a trend line, dropped down. Then it came down to the golden zone level, 50% 618 level Fibonacci. And then after all of that, you start seeing divergence. Boom. Now, baby, it's time to start maybe put a outer trend line, a bigger trend line. I'm gonna show you what that is in a second. And you can go ahead and catch a swing trade. You feel me? Especially when you catch it from the daily. And that being said, I want to take you to the daily chart because I'm seeing one right now. And you know what I want to do? For maybe a week or 2 until it pops off, I want to track this trade with you guys pretty much every video, almost every video. I'm going to make other content, but almost every video, I'm going to track this trade and keep you guys updated. So let's get it. So here's GBP, JPY on the daily chart. Now, here's the trend line I was telling you about. And this is the way I will mark this up. We got plenty of touches. Plenty of touches coming on up here. So, look at this. One here, friction point. All right. And so those friction points is pretty much where the market is respecting, and you want to put that trend line there. All right. So now that's the first part of divergence, but really that's not the first part. The first part is the RSI. So let's look at the RSI. So the RSI, you see there's hidden divergence, there's bullish divergence, bearish divergence, and all of that. So look at this. I'm gonna make the divergent line dotted. Bam, bam. All right, so check that out. So that right there is what I'm looking for. Now this is bullish. All right, this is bullish, and I know a lot of people is gonna be saying you tripping if you think that's gonna be a sell. Look, there were a bunch of sales that happened on the daily chart in the uptrend. All right. No uptrend is gonna last forever. No uptrend is gonna last forever. No downtrend is gonna last forever. So I'm just saying I'm seeing divergence. This may go higher. See, a lot of things, a lot of people are saying when you got divergence and you see the RSI going lower and you see it going lower, they want to jump in the sell. It still can go up another 30 pips. You never know. It still can go up. The thing that keep you safe, the thing that keep you waiting for the right moment, the thing that help you time the entry right is the trend line. I got something else I'm going to show you with it, but it's the trend line. Because you don't know when it's over until it breaks that friction point. That's why when I told you, you need really strong friction points built up. Right? So we got those 2 points. All right. We even got a little one here, but that really didn't touch it. But it showed me that price, you know what I'm saying, is respecting this basically this trend line. So that basically tells me when price finally breaks it, a lot of momentum is going to be on my side. All right. So we got price making a higher high, but and it's making a substantial higher high. The movement is up there. Let me bring it down for you right quick. Like it's moving a lot of pips. Let me see how many pips this is since it made a higher high. Okay. 221 pips. When it made that higher high, that's pretty good. But the RSI is not even going past the 70 line. This dotted line up here, this overbought zone, the 70. So why is that not going up? Why is that RSI, the relative strength index, why is it not going up? Why is it not increasing with the market? We got divergence happening. And there's something slowing up in the market potentially for a reversal, and it may just reverse to the 50 moving average. That, you know what I'm saying, that's cool. That's enough pips right there into the 50 moving average, and then from there it may go higher. That's the bull run that everybody is saying. That's the bull run, but the pullback got to come too. The pullback got to come. The pullback is okay, and we're gonna take advantage of that. All right, now. Well, how many pips do you want? How many pips is it going to give you? I don't know. But all we do is just look left and see where price, the first area where price will probably stall out at. Right? And the first level is here. So price may come down here and stall out. So look at this. This is how I would do this, y'all. Because having your goal, we got plenty of time to track this. Having your goal ready to go before it happens is key, not when it happens. So if it breaks this trend line right here at this moment, that's 397 pips. You got to watch out for this little area too, right? Depending on how high it goes from here, this could be an area where it potentially might turn around too. So we're going to have TP1, TP2, and all of that stuff. So I think we're going to be good to go. And as long as this thing keep wicking out up here, we're looking good. All right. But here's the thing. I don't want you to just be like sell, sell, sell and miss any buys. There's still potential to get buys, but the buy opportunities are if you buy from here, you're starting to buy too high. You want to buy low. This is starting to be a little too high up here. So you might want to start buying at a discount price. So that means let the divergence happen, let the trend line break, and start looking at these areas where price might start, turning around at. And then we can buy from there. All right. So, but the main thing is we're going to track all that together. But the main thing I wanted to show you was that this divergence is popping off. And we're about to catch it. And this is the way I trade it now. And you're going to see more on far as when I go down to the lower time frames, as I keep putting these videos out, tracking GBP, JPY, you're going to see exactly how I'm trading this, how I'm putting everything together. It's going to be fire. So please subscribe, guys. Please subscribe to the channel. If you stumbled on this video and you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. Please share this video with a couple friends on social media so they can take part of this, because the more people we got involved with this, man, I mean, you heard what happened with GameStop when everybody bought those coins and all of that stuff. Everybody bought it. They move when a whole bunch of people do it together. So all right, so share this video with a couple friends on social media, guys, please. So so there we go. So now the other thing is I like to look for is this MACD. So when this MACD go below the histogram, all right, or when this MACD starts, you know, the blue line goes underneath that orange line. Okay, so the MACD settings is standard, nothing fixed about it. I didn't do anything to it. It's just standard. So when the MACD line go underneath the signal line, that's basically telling you a pullback is happening. All right, so we're looking for this blue line to cross under the orange line, and basically a pullback is happening. You can see, like in the past right here, let me make it bigger for you so you can see it. You see this? This is what I'm talking about. The blue line cross under the orange line, and that's the same time you get this action right here, this pullback. So that's also what we're looking for as well. So that's the MACD histogram on TradingView. You can use a MACD whatever on MT4, whatever you got, just put up a MACD. It might not look like this, but it'll do the same thing. All right, so guys, hey, be looking out for more videos. We're gonna keep tracking this. I want you guys to let me know how are you doing with this trade as it develops. Comment below. All right, I love y'all, I appreciate y'all, and we back to the series, baby, mastering these forex indicators. And this time we focusing on the RSI, relative strength index. So be looking out, more videos on the way. Don't forget to like this video, comment, subscribe, and let's make this money, baby. Peace.